Hello everyone, today we got a A3 core old model Samsung. We need to change a battery. First thing first, we need to remove this back cover to remove the battery. So we'll remove the SIM card reader, and then we can, just like this back cover is broken, but you can insert a plastic tool or your fingernails and go all around. The back cover comes off. This phone I've changed the LCD, so the battery won't be that difficult to take out. It has a double sticky tape under it, so if you need to heat up, just give a little bit of heat, not that much. You can see that it's been removed before. The battery is not going well. From certain percentage it goes down very quick, and I've tested the charging, it's working properly. Slide it in, because there are those two clips, so that's why I just see that if they are going nicely in there. Press the power button to test it. Maybe the battery is very low. No, that's working. We'll put the back cover back, and that's how we replace the battery of A3 core Samsung. Just close the back cover and battery is changed. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye. Please follow, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I need watch time. Please help me out with that. Until next time, goodbye.